Asivele singene mfethu straight sibone ukuthi incwadi osiphathele namhlanje ukuthi ibhalwe ubani ithini netitle yayo.
Mfowethu asiqale sibingelele emsakazweni siyalazi usiko ngaphandle kokubingelela impela ngeke wenze lutho kona wonke umuntu olalele siyabingelela njengoba usushilo kwemfethu uthandazani ke lo UTP the Prince wakamsomi. Namhlanje mfowethu ngiphethe incwadi emnandi kakhulu isihloko sayo sithi ke the day the sun met my heart mfowethu, kanti ke umbhalo walencwadi uZimasa Gijima mfowethu, a proud mother, a writer, a storyteller at heart mfowethu. Her journey has always been guided by faith mfowethu, love and the lessons life teaches in silence mfowethu. Writing became her way of healing mfowethu and expressing what words often fail to say. So ke iyona ncwadi le Mr Kwenya nabalaleli esiphethe naye ke umbhali wanamhlanje.
TP, tell us ukuthi what inspired umbhali to come up with such a beautiful book.
My brother, speaking to this author mfethu, she told me would get this book titled mfethu The Day the Sun Met My Heart was born from the memory and the emotion, a true story told through fiction mfethu. Uthi ke it is inspired by the kind of love that shapes umuntu as an individual, challenges you and teaches you who you are beyond ifear mfethu. And what writing it became both a release and a reflection mfethu, reminding her that even in pain mfethu okanye even pain can become art when told from the heart mfethu. So izona zinto ke lezo
ezimkhuthazelele
kakhulu Mr
Even pain can become art.
Very true.
That's very nice. That's very nice. Tell us TP ukuthi when was the book published and what can we expect? Already I'm fascinated by the book. What can we find inside the book?
Yes, Mr Nkonyana, lisencane kakhulu lengane mfethu, because this book was officially published on the 1st of September mfethu 2025. You can get readers can expect a deeply emotionally coming of age love mfethu story set in rural Eastern Cape area mfethu. It follows Zama, a young woman on a gap year, as she discovers love mfethu, a purpose and self-worth through her connection with Kelapanage Uvuyo, a boy whose presence changes everything mfethu. The story blends innocent mfethu, longing and spiritual growth told in a poetic language mfethu that paints a clear picture of life in rural South Africa mfethu. But ke ngimangifikile la Nkonyana njalo ngifike ngizonigabisela nje bese ke ngithi umuntu ofuna ukuzwa kabanzi ngale ncwadi akayithole ukuze afunde more ngayo le ncwadi le mfethu.
Sitshele TP, who can read this book and if ngiyidinga ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi nakho kuyidinga, where can I find
Mr Nkonyana? Kuzoba lula kakhulu lokho mfethu, but asiqale kuyona le yokuthi who can read this book. This book Mr nabalaleli actually it's for anyone mfethu who's ever loved deeply mfethu, lost themselves or had to find their way back mfethu. It speaks to a young women and men, dreamers and those healing from any kind of heartbreak mfethu, whether from love, life or unfulfilled dreams mfethu. Zama's story reminds us that sometimes pain or waiting or being delayed becomes the path to finding purpose mfethu. Uyithola ke le ncwadi Mr Nkonyana esihloko sithi The Day the Sun Met My Heart. Kunama website nje awu2. Eyokuqala ithi ke www.sunmetheart.co.za noma ke ku Fearless Passion Publishing.co.za. Okanye ke they can also get it via social media ngokufollowa ke uZimasa Gijina. Zimasa Gijina author ku Instagram na ku TikTok khona, kanjalo ke futhi namakhuphu uyawasayina bobe sebeyithola kabalaleli.
Thank you so much TP for such a beautiful analysis and a review of the book. If we want to stay in touch with you, sikuthola kanjani mfowethu?
Mr Kwanyana, kubonga mina nakubalaleli abasiboleka indlebe namhlanje ku sekseni. Ofisayo ke naye mhlambe ngeviki elizayo sibuye nencwadi yakhe engangithinta nje ku 072 318 1171 072 318 1171. Kanti ke nami inkundleni zokuxhumana ngikhona as uthandazani TP Msomi. TP zana lo.
Oh my daughter, TP zana lo. Thank you so much TP. Let's stand in for next week Sunday with another book.
Thank you so much my good sir.
Thank you so much. That was